It's not possible to practice food safety without a clean facility. Our final training of Food Safety Education Month is all about facility cleaning. We have a saying in the kitchen, the right tool for the right job, and that is the case with cleaning brushes as well, not just food prep. Luckily, we have a brush for virtually every job. Let's take a look at our 21 Key Brushes program.
Well, you know how to cook a gourmet meal, but you don't have a clue what brush to use for cleanup afterwards. At Carlisle, our 21 Key Brush Guide helps simplify all kitchen cleanup. Keep it clean with Carlisle. Our 21 Key Brush Guide includes everything from pastry brushes to floor care to general cleaning. Today we're going to talk about 3 of these essential product groups. Let's start with the basics. Hygiene. The first thing you want in the kitchen is a worker with clean hands. The Sparta hand and nail brush is the industry standard. Its ergonomic design is easy to use. The long side bristles clean fingernails and knuckles, and the short, stiff center bristles clean under the fingernails. You can even get it with a hook and cord for hanging near sinks. Another kitchen basic is the pastry brush. Carlisle's line of Sparta brush products have been around for over 100 years and are known for their quality. The Sparta Chef Series and Sparta Media pastry brushes are designed especially for food service use. Chef Series brushes have epoxy set ferrules to eliminate food traps. The Sparta Media brush line have bristles molded into the handle to prevent contamination. Both are available with bore or nylon bristles for hot and cold applications. Finally, let's get that broiler clean. Carlisle's Broiler Master is the workhorse of the industry. It features a specially treated wooden head with 2-sided stainless bristles. Broiler Master has a metal scraper on the end for power scraping burned off food builder. That's the highlights to our 21 Key Brush Guide, the key to maintaining a clean kitchen. Carlisle's Sparta brush line includes thousands of brooms, brushes, mops, squeegees, and specialty brushes. If you don't see what you're looking for here and want to find out more about our 21 Key brushes, contact your Carlisle representative.
Our 21 Key Brush program highlights brushes in 8 categories: kitchen equipment, washroom and personal hygiene, floor drain cleaning, beverage service, floor cleaning, food preparation, general cleanup, pastry, and baking. Have a specific job but don't know what style of bristle to use? We've got you covered with our fantastic online bristle guide found at carlislefsp.com/bristle-guide. Slips and falls are one of the leading causes of injuries in the U.S. and account for 9 million ER visits per year. Keep both your employees and customers safe with proper floor cleaning. Here at CFS Brands, we like to call our cleaning process Stop Slips. Step 1, sweep. Using brooms and sweeps, eliminate all surface materials on the floor. Step 2, loosen. Using scrub brushes, work cleaning solution and/or degreaser into the porous floor. Step 3, inject. Allow that cleaner to penetrate the floor for up to 10 minutes. Step 4, prepare. Squeegee the emulsified grime into the drain and/or centralize it for mopping. Step 5, squeak. Mop the surface with clean water until it's squeaky clean. Here we can see it virtually. Sweep plus loosen and inject plus prepare plus squeak. Let's see some of our floor cleaning products in action.
Falls are one of the leading causes of injuries in the workplace. Slip and fall injuries account for 95 million lost workdays per year. At Carlisle, we have everything your customer needs to maintain safe floors and walkways. Sweeps are available with either flagged or non-flagged bristles. Flagging a bristle produces a softer, fuller texture at the tip of the bristle, increases the surface area of the bristle, makes it easier to pick up fine particles on smooth surfaces, and reduces surface scratching. Non-flagged bristles are great for larger debris and rough surfaces, perfect for back-of-house and outdoor applications. Sparta offers many styles of scrubbing brushes that work on a variety of surfaces. These tools help loosen debris and work cleaning solutions into the floor. A critical step in floor care is the removal of dirt, water, and debris. Carlisle's wide assortment of squeegees are all designed to clean and dry tiled or hard surface floors. Choose mops with high absorbency, release, and durability. For increased coverage and a longer life, choose a loop-end mop with a tail band over a cut-in mop. When scrubbing is needed, select a wide band mop and a jaw-style handle for secure hold. Help your customer avoid slips and falls with Carlisle's line of Sparta sweeps, scrubs, squeegees, and mops.
We've created this downloadable infographic with our steps to stop slips to tie in with this video's training content, and it will be made available to you on our website. We have so many floor cleaning products, but we'll briefly highlight some of our categories for each step. Step 1 is sweep. Here we have a few of our broom options, but you can find more at carlislefsp.com. We have corn brooms, synthetic corn brooms, duo sweep brooms, angled duo sweep brooms, unflagged and flagged, which we found out unflagged bristles are better for larger particles, while flagged bristles are great for smaller particles. We also have fine, medium, and heavy duty floor sweeps, but I love the Omni sweeps because they have all three, which is both cost efficient and space saving. Our duo sweeper is great for front of the house. Our lobby dustpans eliminate the need to bend over, but we do have both plastic and metal traditional dustpans as well. I love our duo pan, upright dustpan, and broom set, which provides a complete sweeping solution. We have lots of brushes for step 2 and 3, scrub and inject. Our swivel scrubs provide great maneuverability. Our tile and grout brushes provide options in color coding, as do our Sparta Spectrum high-low floor scrub brushes, whose split shape is efficient for cleaning flat surfaces, under counters, around equipment, and along baseboards. We also have a variety of deck scrub brushes. As for squeegees, we have many options, from curved to color-coded to our VersaClean brush with squeegee. We've also got everything you need for step 5. Squeaky clean mopping. We have lots of options for mop heads and handles, as well as color-coded mop buckets and accessories like wet floor signs. Now that we've discussed our 21 key brushes and proper floor cleaning, let's dive into color coding. We recommend that all food service operations create a HACCP or color code program for food safety for the following reasons. It reduces the risk of cross-contamination and foodborne illness outbreak. And failure to effectively clean and sanitize food prep and other areas can lead to a transfer of dangerous pathogens. Although it takes a little time and dedication, it does not have to be difficult to develop your own HACCP program. HACCP is short for Hazard Analysis Critical Control Point. According to the FDA, HACCP is a management system in which food safety is addressed through the analysis and control of biological, chemical, and physical hazards, from raw material production, procurement and handling, to manufacturing, distribution, and consumption of the finished product. You'll want to follow these steps while designing and implementing your own HACCP plan. Step 1, survey your location and set up your work zones. Step 2, identify colors for each work zone or department. Step 3, select the proper color-coded cleaning tools for each zone. Step 4, create your standard operating procedures for each work zone. And finally, step 5, monitor work activities and take immediate action. So for example, if you see a blue tool in your red zone, you would want to do the following. Shut down both work zones, identify if cross-contamination has occurred or any type of exposure to pathogens. Take corrective action. Once everything has been resolved, you can bring both work zones back online. So for example, if somebody was, let's say, using a yellow mop that has been allocated for the bathroom in the front of house or in the kitchen, that would be an example of having the wrong color tool being used in the wrong zone and a potential opportunity for that contamination. This is an example of color-coded zones in a food processing plant as a visual example. While there are no set standards for the structure of color coding, purple typically refers to allergen or allergen-free, while blue is most commonly used for front of house. We recommend having one color for front of house, one color for back of house, purple for allergen-free, and another color for restrooms. For example, blue for front of house, red for back of house, yellow for bathrooms, and purple for allergen-free. We currently have up to 10 colors, soon to be 13, and many popular brush options. Here is an example of what a blue zone might look like with products from all the Stop Slips categories. For more food safety education and product solutions, please visit our new food safety landing page, carlislefsp.com/foodsafety. Thank you so much for participating in our facility cleaning training.